So the first thing we're going to do is drain all the oil out of it. I did just spray it off with the hose, but I didn't get everything. We're going to drain all the oil, drain the gas. Millimeter socket. Yeah, there's a lot of oil under here. All right, so the first thing we'll do is disconnect this cable. Pull that out. Now we have to pull off this access cover in order to undo the drive shaft from the rear wheels and transmission. We also have so we don't lose the bolt. So with the blade off, now we can get to the blade clutch. And for this, it's a little bit simpler. Same 14 millimeter socket. We're just going to pull this off and try and keep it in the same order that it came off. So what I'm going to do is just put it in this bucket like that. And this thing is nasty. You don't want to lose this key either. Take these 3 bolts out. Do your best not to lose them. Look at all that crap. We've got this clutch cable here that I can't even see how to get it out because it's so dirty in here. But on this side, we have a spring, which is almost impossible to get to because of all the dirt. Okay, spring's off. So we don't lose anything. Put that back in. There we go. Much better. There's the rest of the clutch. This thing has been leaking for a long time.